Good afternoon. So picture this. You grow up in a working class family where every day is a struggle to make ends meet. Against the odds, you manage to reach university only to find that the challenges persist. Yet, fueled by determination, you forge ahead, navigating the complexities of academia and professional life. That is the story of many of us being awarded today. But our journey doesn't end with personal success. It extends far beyond ourselves. Many of us here have dedicated ourselves to improving Jamaica at the community, national, and international levels. We've been working hard to see others live better lives. We've done this work in various sectors like education, health, culture, youth development, media and communication, and so on. So put another way, this recognition is not just a celebration of individual accomplishments, but shows the ways in which we have been contributing to building stronger communities. I'm immensely grateful to be given this opportunity to give remarks on behalf of all of the awardees this afternoon. To be counted among those who have made an indelible mark on our country is a significant achievement. At the same time, we cannot pause. We cannot rest. We cannot stop. Our communities still need us. Our country still needs us. The world still needs us. So even as we take the time to celebrate and bask in this moment, we know that come tomorrow, we will still have to continue to assist young people to prepare for their exams. We have to continue those innovative community projects, and we have to continue to challenge ourselves by taking on more leadership roles or by taking on more rigorous academic battles like fighting to complete a PhD in another country. So I want to take a